Hey everyone, Kayla from Ressio here. Wanted to go through how Ressio interacts with its users, whether those are internal users or more importantly, in this case, external users. So your vendors and subcontractors, your clients. With Ressio, we do not require those individuals to have the Ressio app. They're more than welcome to have it. However, what we have found is making access to the program as easy as possible and as seamless as possible is when you get the best adoption, especially from external users such as vendors, subcontractors, and clients. So, what we leverage is something called a magic link. Anytime you share something out, it could be a message, an approval document, an assignment. That individual is going to get an email notification from your company name with your company logo. They're going to have a quick snippet of whatever that information is, and then they're going to have something called a magic link, which is just this green button right here. Right now, I'm acting as a vendor. If I click on the view task, it will pull me directly into my Ressio vendor portal based on my email address. And now I'm in here. I can see what I've been assigned to, the description, and I can easily take action to message, decline, or confirm that assignment. It is the same process anytime you share something else out, again, with the vendor, subcontractor, or client. All they have to do is simply click on this link to be pulled directly into that item. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, definitely reach out to our team. We'd be happy to dive into this deeper with you. Thanks so much.